Welcome to the 8 Quanta Library. In this video, we'll walk through how to create a trial balance by subsidiary in NetSuite. To generate a trial balance report, go to Reports, Financial Trial Balance. This is the standard trial balance report, which shows consolidated accounts by default. While you can use the subsidiary filter at the bottom to view individual subsidiaries, I'll demonstrate how to create a custom trial balance report that separates accounts by subsidiary for clearer comparison. On the Report Builder page, click the Trial Balance Filter section and locate the subsidiary field. Expand this field to view the available options, then select Subsidiary Group to group the report results by subsidiary. You can add any additional fields as needed to customize the report. Once you're done, enter a name for your custom report and click Save to finalize it. You can now see that the accounts and their corresponding amounts are clearly separated by subsidiary. As you can see in this example, the total amounts in the consolidated trial balance and the trial balance grouped by subsidiary are different. This is a common occurrence, and here are some typical reasons why these reports may not match. First, intercompany transactions. Consolidated reports eliminate intercompany transactions, while by subsidiary reports show all transactions, including intercompany entries. Second, currency translation differences. If your subsidiaries operate in different currencies, the consolidated report translates balances into the parent company's base currency using exchange rates. However, by subsidiary reports show native currency balances. Third, elimination subsidiary consolidated reports include the elimination subsidiary to offset intercompany accounts. By subsidiary reports usually exclude this unless manually selected. Additionally, if incorrect filters are applied, such as mismatched date ranges, subsidiaries, departments, classes, or locations, the results between the consolidated and subsidiary reports may also differ. Here are some tips for creating reports. Double-check filters, subsidiaries, periods, currencies, etc. Run both reports with the same date range and filters. Compare results including elimination entries. Validate exchange rates if dealing with multiple currencies. And that wraps up this video. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found it helpful.